In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block a channel on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and if you want to stop recommending videos from a certain channel, then as soon as you come across such a video, do the following. Just tap at the three dots underneath the video and then choose Don't Recommend Channel, just like that. Now it says that we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. If you want to undo it, tap at Undo. If you want to prohibit a certain channel from commenting on your videos, then just go to their channel, then tap at three dots, and then Hide User from My Channel. That will hide all the existing and future comments from this user on your channel. Just tap at Hide User. That's how you can easily block a channel on YouTube. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.